Abazaani ba Uganda bayoreka omutindo bwa nyuma y'okusinga emidaali y'ezaabu erikurenga 15 omu boojo hamwe n'abaishiki omu muzaano gw'okuziha omu mpaka z'amashomereza afiasa ezitebeekanisibwa ba Bukedya Comprehensive. Uganda okusinga yatunga obubonero 148 kandi bakuratirwa Kenya aha bubonero 121. Rero yo Burundi yahereruka aha bubonero 73. Omu mizaano endiijo erimu volleyball y'aboojo abatebeekanisa ba Bukedya barabaho kukwatana na tiimu ya RC Technique Saints eya Burundi kandi omu baishiki St Elizabeth Girls Secondary School eyambarra eine kisigone ya Kenya. Rero yo Bukedya nekwatana na Kwathanze eya Kenya omu semifinals ezirabeho nyenkyakare. Omu basketball Bodo SS, Amos College, St Noah hamwe na Kitende zona zarabaho kuza omu semifinal kandi omu z'okubaka eza Uganda ezirimu Kitende, St Noah, Bodo SS hamwe na Kawanda zona zaza omu semifinal. Omu z'omupiira gw'ebigyere Bukedya Comprehensive na Amos College abatebekanisa emizaano egi nabo kuriitana nyenkyakare omu muzaano gwa semifinal kandi Kitende abaine ekikopo nibakwatana na tiimu ya Musingo okuruga Kenya.
Very wonderful experience. I'm so glad. I was actually the captain last year when we won it. It's my second time leading you guys to victory. I'm so excited. I'm happy for the new young kids that have joined us as well as the old people who have been able to stay on top.